All right, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to subtract polynomials. All right, let's look at our first example. As you can see, boom, right there in the middle. You see that subtraction sign? That's how I know it's a subtraction problem. So whenever it's a subtraction problem, the first thing you need to do is keep, change, opposite. What? Keep, change, opposite. What? Just like we say in class, you keep everything that's in the first parentheses, keep it the same. You'll change that subtraction sign to a plus sign, and everything after that is going to be opposite. So I'm keeping all of this the same. So say 14x squared minus 6x plus 8. Change that to a plus sign. And then opposite. What I mean when I say opposite is that if it's positive, you're going to change it to a negative. If it's negative, change it to a positive. So as you can see, it says positive 6x squared. So I'm going to change that to negative 6x squared. The second one, and even though it says subtracting sign, that's the same thing as a negative sign. So it says negative 4x, so I'm going to change it to a positive 4x. And the last one says positive 1 or plus 1, so I'm going to change it to a negative 1. All right, now that I've done my keep, change, opposite, I can combine like terms. So the like terms that I see is 14x squared plus a negative 6x squared. And that's going to equal 8x squared. And then the other like term that I see is negative 6x plus 4x, and that equals negative 2x. And then the last one that I see is 8 plus negative 1, which equals positive 7. And that's it. Let's look at another example. All right, again, you have to do keep, change, opposite. So I'm going to keep the first thing the same exact way it is and change that subtraction sign to a plus sign. And then everything else after that is opposite. So that positive 6x squared turns into negative 6x squared. Positive 5 turns to a negative 5. Now I'm just going to combine like terms. So I'll have a 2x squared plus negative 6x squared. That equals negative 4x squared. And then I see a positive 3x plus, oh my gosh, I don't see anything with x in the second parentheses. So guess what? You just bring it straight on down. And then the last thing that I see is that positive 7 plus negative 5, which is a positive 2. And that's it.